Hello dear students, my name is Gargi and today in this video lecture we are going to start our chapter Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. Okay, so let me give you the summary first. So the story begins by telling us about a man named Bipin Chaudhary. So this story is based on a man whose name is Bipin Chaudhary and he is in a dilemma throughout the story because someone met with him and he tells him that he met him a few years ago and he tells this story and Bipin tried to recognize him, ठीक है, but he couldn't. So what happens after that? क्या होता है जब वो उसे recognize नहीं कर पाता है and then after that वो उसे काफ़ी सारे incidents बताता है but वो कुछ भी चीज़ recall नहीं कर पाता है. Okay, so what happens in the story? Let's read. It was his habit of visiting a bookshop and buy books for his books of his liking. उन्हें books पढ़ने का बहुत शौक था बिपिन चौधरी को. So he used to go to this bookshop and buy books. One day on such a visit, a man approaches him. He tells Bipin that his name is Parimal Ghosh and is an old acquaintance of his from his Ranchi trip. वो उसे बताता है कि वो उसे पहले से जानता है, जब वो रांची ट्रिप पे गए थे तब से जानते हैं वो, तब वो मिले थे उनसे and he knows him. At first, Bipin is convinced that the man is confusing him for someone else. However, when Parimal reveals personal details about him, he gets confused. At first, Bipin thinks कि ये गलत समझ रहा है, जो परिमल घोष है वो गलत समझ रहे हैं. I am not the person he is looking for or I am not the person he thinks I am. तो वो confuse हो जाता है, ठीक है. बट फिर परिमल उसे ऐसी ऐसी डिटेल्स बताते हैं उनके बारे में, पर्सनल डिटेल्स लाइक अबाउट हिज वाइफ एंड अबाउट चिल्ड्रन एंड हाउ ही लाइक्स टू रीड बुक्स एंड एवरीथिंग. और तो ये सारी पर्सनल डिटेल्स जब वो उन्हें बताते हैं तो बिपिन और ज़्यादा कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि हाउ डज ही नो ऑल दीज पर्सनल डिटेल्स अबाउट मी, बिकॉज मैं तो कभी इनको मिला भी नहीं हूँ, ना मैंने इन्हें कभी ऐसा कुछ बताया है. Bipin cannot remember any of the incidents the man was talking about. In fact, he has never been to Ranchi. अब वो ये बोलते हैं कि मैं तो कभी रांची गया ही नहीं ना, और इनसे मिलना तो बहुत दूर की बात है. I have never been to Ranchi. So how does he know all this and why can't I remember? If he is right, then why can't I remember all this thing? ना, ये सारी चीज़ मैं क्यों नहीं जान पाता हूँ या मुझे याद क्यों नहीं आ रही ये सारी चीज़ें. And if he is lying, then why is he lying? Why is he doing all this? The man then says that Dinesh Mukherjee was also on the trip. He may confirm it with him. Now, to prove his theory, to prove his story right, Parimal tells Bipin कि दिनेश मुखर्जी भी उनके साथ ट्रिप पे थे, तो हो सकता है उन्हें याद हो, तो आप उनसे जाके पूछ लीजिए, राइट? तो he can confirm the story. Bipin does not pay much heed to this and goes about with his life. अब बिपिन को लगता है कि this man is just a nuisance and I don't think I should give a lot of attention to it. So वो अपनी daily life में जो अपना रूटीन होता है उसके साथ कैरी ऑन करने लग जाते हैं. However, it keeps bothering him, so he confirms that incident with Dinesh, who also verifies the story. But कहानी में ट्विस्ट कब आता है? When बिपिन दिनेश से अपनी जो स्टोरी है वो कंफर्म करने की कोशिश करते हैं. वो उनसे पूछते हैं कि क्या एक्चुअल में ऐसा हुआ था, मैं रांची आया था और हम मिले थे एंड एवरीथिंग. तो दिनेश कहते हैं यस, यू केम टू रांची एंड एवरीथिंग एज दैट मैन इज टेलिंग यू, ऑल दैट हैपेंड. तब ही गेट्स कंफ्यूज्ड. अब उसे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि ये क्या हो रहा है. Now Bipin is very confused as he cannot remember that particular incident only. He starts worrying and feels he is losing his memory. अब उसे क्या लगता है कि उसकी मेमोरी जो है he is losing all that, क्योंकि उसे सिर्फ एक particular incident, रांची वाला जो incident है वही याद नहीं आ रहा है. Everything else he can remember very clearly. Now Bipin asks the doctor for a remedy. This confuses the doctor as well, as he has not seen a case like this before. अब डॉक्टर भी कंफ्यूज हो जाता है. बिपिन को लगता है कि I should go and consult a doctor, right? But डॉक्टर gets confused. क्यों? क्योंकि उन्होंने अपनी लाइफ में कभी ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट सुना ही नहीं था. The doctor advises Bipin to visit Ranchi. He thinks that revisiting the place may bring back memories he thinks he has forgotten. So, the doctor at first does not know what to do. So, he advises him to go to Ranchi and visit the place once again, and maybe that will bring back all the memories that he cannot remember or he cannot recall. Bipin even takes a trip there, but still he does not remember a thing. Now he starts worrying and calls for the doctor who will come later. Now Bipin goes to Ranchi and he's there, he's trying to do all those things that man told him to do, but अभी भी उन्हें कुछ याद नहीं आता है. Now he is really worried कि अब क्या होगा. डॉक्टर ने जो करने के लिए बोला था मैंने वो कर लिया, but I still can't remember anything. Before the doctor arrives, Bipin learns the truth. His friend Chunni Lal played a practical joke on him to take revenge. अब जब डॉक्टर के आने का टाइम होता है तब he comes to know the truth. उसे पता चलता है कि चुन्नी लाल उनका जो एक पुराना फ्रेंड है उसने एक प्रैंक किया है उनके साथ. He is just playing with him. Once Chunni Lal was in dire need of a job and Bipin could not help him, so he avoided him. क्यों किया था चुन्नी लाल ने ऐसा? Because once कभी ऐसा हुआ होगा कि उसे जॉब की बहुत ज़रूरत होगी और उन्होंने बिपिन से हेल्प मांगी होगी, but he denied him or maybe he couldn't help him, so he started avoiding him. वो उसकी हेल्प तो कर नहीं पा रहे थे तो he did not know what to say, so he started avoiding him जब उन्हें उनकी सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत थी. Thus Chunni did all this to take revenge from him. This angered Bipin, but it also relieves him that he is fine and not losing his memory. उसे गुस्सा तो आता है whatever चुन्नी लाल did, but उन्हें relieved भी feel होता है कि thank God at least I am not losing my memory. But चुन्नी लाल ने ये सब क्यों किया? सिर्फ और सिर्फ revenge लेने के लिए किया था. Finally, when the doctor arrives, he lies to him. Instead of admitting that it was a prank, he says that visiting Ranchi brought his memory back and he is now fine. तो वो डॉक्टर को झूठ बोल देते हैं. He did not admit कि वो एक prank था. He just says that हाँ मैंने रांची विजिट किया and everything is fine now. मेरी पूरी memory वापस आ गई है and I am all good. Okay, so this was the story. I gave you the summary. कुछ वर्ड मीनिंग्स हैं, कुछ मीनिंग्स हैं वर्ड्स के जो थोड़े से डिफिकल्ट हैं. लेट्स लुक एट देम. द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज मीक. मीक मीन्स क्वाइट और हम्बल. अटर डिसबिलीफ मीन्स कंप्लीट सरप्राइज. ठीक है, बिल्कुल सरप्राइज हो जाना, एकदम से कोई चीज ऐसी होना जो बिल्कुल ही नई हो. Inconceivable, not capable of being imagined or grasped, mentally unbelievable. ठीक है, something that you cannot believe. Head reeled means he was shocked and confused when all that happened. जब परिमल घोष ने बिपिन को ये सारी चीजें बताई तो his head started reeling. What does it mean? That means he was shocked and confused. Deliberate means done consciously or intentionally, कोई चीज जानबूझ के जो करते हैं. Hastings means rapidity of action and motion, जल्दी कोई चीज करना, फटाफट. Sleuthing means carrying out a search or investigation in the manner of a detective की तरह कोई भी investigation करना is called sleuthing. Incredulous means unbelieving और doubtful. किसी चीज पे आपको या तो बिलीव ना हो या फिर वो थोड़ा डाउटफुल हो, मतलब यू आर नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट, आपको थोड़ा शक हो उस पे. Procured means got with a little difficulty. कोई चीज आपको मिली हो but with a little difficulty. Boulder, a very big rock, a huge rock. Clamped means to put. Affluence means the state of having a great deal of money, काफी ज़्यादा अच्छा खासा पैसा होना किसी के पास. In retribution of as a punishment for. Retribution मतलब punishment किसी के लिए. Okay, word meanings हैं. Read the chapter, the whole chapter. It's a bit lengthy, yeah, I understand, but you have to read the chapter for the minute details, and these word meanings are going to help you throughout the chapter. Let's do a few question answers. First question is, mention any 3 things that Parimal Ghosh knew about Bipin Babu. Okay, so about Bipin Chaudhary, he knew a lot of details, a lot of personal details. So we have to mention 3. Okay, so let's start. Parimal Ghosh claimed to have met Bipin Babu in Ranchi, and he seemed to have seemed to know quite a bit about Bipin Chaudhary. Parimal mentioned that Bipin always carried his bag full of books. That he liked reading books, he loved it. So he used to carry a bag which was filled with books so that he can read them whenever he wanted. And he even knew few personal details about Bipin, like he had no children and he lost his wife 10 years ago. Okay? So these are the 3 details, and a lot of details also he knew about Bipin. So that's how Bipin got convinced later that yeah, he might know that who I am, or maybe he met me in the past. What did Mr. Mukherjee say? Did it comfort Bipin Babu or add to his worries? Okay, so Mr. Mukherjee ne kya bola tha? So Mr. Mukherjee told him that he had been out twice that year, and the second time was with Bipin Babu, which he assumed Bipin would remember. The phone call left Bipin Babu more worried. He held his head in his hands and he could feel chills all over his body, and he had lost his appetite. So when Mr. Mukherjee told him that उस साल वो 2 बार बाहर गए थे, and the second time was with Bipin Chaudhary, और उन्हें लगा कि वो सारी डिटेल्स उन्हें मालूम होगी. Why is he asking all this? Okay, next question is, who was Chunni Lal? What did he want from Bipin Babu? Chunni Lal, as we know, जिन्होंने कहानी को पूरा चेंज कर दिया था. Chunni Lal was an old friend of Bipin Babu. They went to school together. He had been going through a rough time and wanted help from Bipin Babu in procuring a job. वो चाहते थे कि बिपिन बाबू उनकी हेल्प कर दें, बिपिन चौधरी उनकी हेल्प कर दें जॉब सिक्योर करने में. Next question, why do you think Chunni Lal did what he did? Chunni Lal says he has no money. What is it that he does have? Okay, so Chunni Lal ने क्यों किया था ऐसा? Why did he do it? To take revenge. Okay, Chunni Lal plotted this plan against Bipin Babu to punish him for not helping out an old friend in his trying times. He said he did not have any money, thus he had limited resources, but all he had was his imagination. उनके पास money नहीं था, but he had his imagination, so he used it all on Bipin Chaudhary. And why did he do all this? To take revenge, like to teach him a lesson for not helping a friend in his need. Okay, so this was our chapter, everyone. I give you the summary. Read the chapter, it's very interesting. It will be a lot of fun when you read it. Bit lengthy, and word meanings and the question answers. To do the rest of the question answers, they are easy to do when you read the chapter once. Okay, so I'll meet you in our next lecture. Thank you.